A woman with a true heart would never want a man for his money. She never seeks out lavish parties or big expensive cars. She doesn't care about overseas holidays, expensive vacations, getaways, or the brand of the clothes that she wears. The only thing that can win an honest woman's heart is a man's true love. What she admires in a man has nothing to do with monetary value. It is the value he upholds, like his honesty, loyalty, his respect towards her, always valuing her as his number one. An honest, genuine woman looks for a man who can change her mood from anger to laughter, who knows her like he knows himself, who respects her and never questions her. She looks for a man who will always put her needs first, no matter what. A woman with a true heart can be made happy with just a rose, a cup of coffee. A